So, what are your plans for the upcoming elections? I will attempt to persuade the people to vote for me.
Net, you need help. I'm going to advertise for people to vote for me. It's a whole lot easier.
Well, while you guys work this out, I'm going to be just telling people to vote for me.
Well, I'm not Echo going to run so.
Well, there you have it. Well, what about Jake?
Who?
Has talking about no one, now leave me alone so I can work.
And so starts the elections.